Hi, I'm Chris Pate, Product Manager with Logitech G, and I'm here to talk to you today about our new G910 Orion Spark RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. Orion Spark was designed to give gamers an edge over the competition with our exclusive new Roamer G mechanical switches. We developed these switches from the ground up to deliver improved gaming performance. They have a 1.5mm actuation distance, which enables 25% faster activation than the most popular mechanical keyboard switch. They're also 40% more durable, rated at 70 million keystrokes. The center illuminated design means that the key stem is significantly wider than other mechanical keyboard switches, delivering a great click feeling with greater stability and less wobble. Orion Spark features full RGB illumination. You can customize each key from a palette of over 16 million colors, and the centralized LED with our custom light diffusing lens ensures that the entire keycap is illuminated evenly, not just the top part. You can customize the lighting in a number of different ways. Using Logitech gaming software, you can create distinct color zones, automatically illuminate only the keys that are active in the game you're playing, or set the entire keyboard to play back cosmetic effects like breathing, color cycling, and color waves. You can even set each individual key to a custom color if you want. We introduced the second screen information experience with the Game Panel LCD on our original G15 gaming keyboard. Game Panel fans have been asking for a while now when we're going to release a mechanical keyboard with an LCD. But rather than limiting the experience by attaching a small proprietary LCD, with Orion Spark we've released Arx Control. Arx Control is a new app for Android and iOS that will give you access to a wide range of information, including in-game stats, device configuration, system health, and even media controls. The app connects to LGS on your PC using Wi-Fi, and Orion Spark's mobile dock lets you keep it within an easy glance while you play. So there you have it, a quick tour of the G910 Orion Spark RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. For more information about the product or to order yours, please visit gaming.logitech.com.